Hi everyone, this is Shakti Singh Gator. This is a tutorial for Pop Mela. I'll be teaching on a song called Kala Chashma, which basically says black sunglasses suits you the best. So this combo is super fun, super entertaining. The song is very catchy and you can definitely perform this on Sangeet or on a DJ, and I would definitely recommend this combo to perform as a duo as well. And you can always use black sunglasses as a prop. So let's get started. Let's start with hard part 1. You start with your right leg first. Make sure to step on your right heel. Right heel, left heel, go right heel again, go left heel, go right heel again, go left heel. It goes for 6 counts. While doing that, you clap towards your right, you clap towards your left, you raise your right arm up, you stay there, you go clap again, you go clap again.
ओ मैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए गोरे मुखड़े